In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage collections on your online store homepage. This is an essential skill for organizing your products and making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start from your homepage. This is your main dashboard where you control everything related to your store. From here, look for the option labeled Products in the menu on the side. Clicking on Products will give you a drop-down menu. One of the options you'll see is Collections. Click on that, and it will take you to the Collections page. Collections are a fantastic way to group similar items together, making navigation much simpler for shoppers. Once you're on the Collections page, you'll want to add a new collection. To do this, find the button that says Add Collection and give it a click. A new page will open, prompting you to enter a title and description for your collection. The title should be clear and descriptive, something that indicates what's inside the collection, like summer dresses or winter jackets. The description, however, is where you have the opportunity to provide more details. Here, you can include highlights of the products, any special notes, or themes related to this collection. Don't underestimate the importance of this step. A well-thought-out title and description can attract customers and make your collection stand out. Next, consider the type of collection you'd like to create. There are two main types: manual collections and smart collections. A manual collection gives you complete control as you select and add products individually. This is perfect if you want to personally curate specific items for that collection. On the other hand, a smart collection operates by criteria you set, automatically including products that meet these conditions as they're added to your store. This type is great for dynamic inventory that changes frequently. Think about which of these options best suits your current needs and make your selection accordingly. Now it's time to add products to your collection. You can do this by browsing through your catalog or by using the search function to quickly find items. As you sort through your products, take a moment to ensure each one fits well with the collection's theme. Adding mismatched items can confuse customers, while a well-coordinated collection can enhance their shopping experience. After you've selected the products you want to include, it's crucial to save your work. You don't want to risk losing all your efforts by forgetting this last critical step. And there you have it, a collection thoughtfully curated and ready to display. Whether you're showcasing seasonal favorites or promoting a new line, collections can significantly enhance your store's functionality and appeal. Be sure to regularly revisit and update your collections to keep them fresh and relevant. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!